Adjusting the stitch length on the DS-9C is fairly straightforward. This unit here, this is where we adjust for the stitch length. So we just loosen this nut here and move it inward to increase the stitch length and out to decrease the stitch length. All the way in is going to be about 2.5 or 3 stitches per inch. So normally we'd run it just with this pulled a little way out this way to give us maybe 3.5 stitches per inch, which is most common. Now if this is adjusted, we also would need to adjust the feed dog stroke as well, and that's done by loosening these two hex heads here. And what we're looking for, and it shows it in the book, but what we're looking for is when the feed dog is traveled all the way to the left, okay, we're looking for a 1.5 thou gap right here. I'll just get this here, there we go. So 1.5 thou gap between the feed dog and that end of the throat plate. The easiest thing to do is to grab your Allen key set, and we see on this one the smallest Allen key is 1.5 millimeters, so it's perfect, and we can just slide that in to that gap there. So what you would do is you would loosen up the 2 hex pieces there. First of all, actually spin the head so that it's all the way, the feed dog is all the way to the left. Then loosen these. Then put your Allen key in. Push the feed dog back onto the Allen key, and then lock those up, and you're ready to go. Okay, so just make sure that what that does is just make sure that there is a correct spacing and that the feed dog doesn't bottom out on the throat plate.